video, we will see how to fix error code 84. Storage to process this request is not available. Error out of structures on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of error code, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on start button and choose task manager. Here go to startup apps from the left side of menu and manually disable all the startup apps enabled in your system. Look for startup apps enabled in your system. Simply right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your system. Disable startup apps. Thereafter, close the windows and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and here type CMD and open command prompt windows. Run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open. Here execute the command as shown on screen. These three DISM tool one by one. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And after that, execute the command sfc scan now. sfc/scan now and press enter. And let the Windows scanning process and it wait till 100% verification complete. It will not scan your system for any corrupted or bad system files and repair them accordingly. After that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search and type View Advanced System Settings. Type in search View Advanced System Settings and click on open. Here under Performance tab, click on Settings. Here go to Advanced tab from the top menu bar and under Virtual Memory, click on Change. Change virtual memory size in your system. This is the next workaround. So click on Change and here make the uncheck against automatically manage paging file size for all drivers. Uncheck this option. Thereafter scroll down and here click on custom size. Click on custom size. And here initial size and maximum size, enter here. Your initial size should be based on this formula. Initial size 1.5 into available physical memory into 1024. This should be your initial memory size and maximum size 3 into available physical memory into 1024. For example, if you have 4 GB memory, if the physical RAM is 4 GB, the initial and maximum page file size become initial size 6144. 1.5 into 4, your 4 GB RAM into 1024. And maximum size should be 3 into your RAM size 4 into 1024. 12288. This should be your maximum memory size, virtual memory size. So enter this value 6144 and 12888 and click on OK. After changing your virtual memory size, check whether your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, click on privacy and security. Thereafter go to right side and here click on Windows security. Here click on virus and threat protection. A new window will open. Here click on the link scan options. And here you will find 4 options. Here choose full scan. And finally click on scan now. And let the window complete the scanning process. After that, check your system error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on a start button again. And here choose run. In run command box, type the command rstrui and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. So system restore does not affect any of your documents, pictures or other. Click on next and choose a restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Click on any event and click on next, and finally confirm your restore point. Choose finish and follow on screen instruction to complete the restore process. After that, restart your system and your error definitely be resolved.